Okay, so we're just going to go into one of the chats with our processing team here. This customer complained, said he didn't see any changes. We get that sometimes, but look at that, 14 deleted. The guy didn't update his credit report, meaning he didn't subscribe to credit monitoring, and then we had to pay for it again, and then we got all of this stuff finally updated in the system. So you could see these things that were deleted, right? Citibank, deleted. CarMax was an inquiry, deleted. Inquiry, see all these inquiries deleted, okay? Ally Financial, another inquiry. Factual day, another inquiry. See, there's just nothing but inquiries removed. So this was a 30-day late payment. Okay, we got it deleted. What was this? This was another late payment deleted. And this was something else deleted. I'm not sure, but oh, here it's a charge-off account. Okay, so guys, let me be frank. Okay, so inquiries, if you have an open account, like if you applied for a credit card, and say you're in the credit card applying process, like you just want to like max out your credit card, get as many credit cards as you want and just increase your credit card limits as you want. Well, in order to do that, you'll have to continually, you must constantly be applying for credit every 3 to 6 months. And in doing so, you're going to rack up inquiries. So a roadblock is like, hey, I'm kind of stuck because I have too many inquiries. I can't get them removed without compromising the account. Well, actually, that's wrong, because a lot of you folks out there don't know how to repair credit the right way. So too many people are used to just removing and disputing accounts that don't need to be removed or compromised. Like you'll remove the whole positive account. In order to get an inquiry off, we're able to get inquiries off without compromising the account if it's being opened. Okay, we utilize what's called the Equal Credit Opportunity Act, the Fair Credit Reporting Act, okay, and the Fair and Accurate Transaction Act in order to do that. And it's been effective. As you saw, some of those accounts on that person's file, Carmela's file, they were removed. So let me show you some other updates. Oh, right here. James. Wow, this okay. Deleted everything. Okay, so some customers they just don't know how to look at their reports. As you can see, 10 items deleted. His score is 729. We got his score up to 729. And charge-off account was deleted. Okay. Capital One deleted. American Express charge-off account deleted. Synchrony's credit card charge-off account deleted. Navy Federal Credit Union deleted. And then that's pretty much it. So I'm just showing you some files. Okay, let's look at another file here. Sophia. This is a good one. 7 items deleted. So as you can see, we're pretty good at repairing credit. Synchrony, Capital One Bank deleted, as you can see, deleted. Community bank deleted. So we're just getting things deleted. I'm literally going in my chat with my employee and showing you what we have done. William, let's check out William. I haven't even looked at this. Now you're gonna freak out because I'm looking at 42 negative accounts deleted. I've actually removed, I think the highest amount of negative accounts I removed off a file was close to 400. There's a YouTube video, you can scroll down and you could check that out. 42 negative items deleted. The score jumped up 117 points. So this is the stuff I get done for my clients. As you can see, this customer is not done. They've only been a customer of mine, you know, for I think a month, and we got 42 deleted. That's pretty good. And the score jumped up 117 points. What if we did that for you? Charge off, negative account. What did we delete? Web Bank Fingerhut deleted. Capital One deleted. Synchrony Bank deleted. Capital One deleted. Capital One. I'm getting that deleted. 30 days late deleted. Late payments deleted from Discover. Barclays Bank. Charge off account, see, deleted. Bank of America deleted. Capital One deleted. Capital One deleted. Right? Synchrony deleted. Web Bank Geddington, that's a strange one, deleted. Acceptance Now deleted. I think that's a installment loan, personal loan type thing. Acceptance Now deleted. It's like a payday loan. Don't you guys hate those payday loans? You know, you can't pay off. That sucks. Fingerhunt again deleted. GM Financial Leasing. This is a foreclosure. Okay, are you looking at this? GM Financial Leasing. Well, actually, to be honest with you, I don't know if that's a foreclosure or... I mean, it's not a foreclosure. It could be a repossession. Is it possible that the car got repossessed within the lease? The lease agreement had to be canceled? That might be what that is, because it's not GM Financial, Automotive Financial. It's GM Financial Leasing, which could be different. Either way, this is definitely a repossession of some sort. Either a repossession of a financing paper contract that you signed, a lease that you signed, right? Same thing could happen when you lease an apartment. If you break the lease, you could be in collection status for the amount of the lease itself, depending upon other things. Bank of America deleted. Macy's deleted. You know, just deleted stuff, guys. So there you have it. I showed you just some random stuff. I have more, but you know, we can remove inquiries, any of the sort, and that's just, you know, some updates for some clients. I just want to be as transparent as possible to show you guys what we're able to do. And this is not even all the stuff. There is a video that I owe you guys. I was going to basically, the video before this, I discussed 5 major key laws that we use every day here to repair credit. Now, to be more specific and to paint a vivid picture of how exactly we do it, what I promised to give you guys before the video ended, I think my phone died or something, and then the video ended. So if you watch that video, just scroll down, go back to my video section, you will notice that it cut off when I was talking about like the 3rd or 4th law, which should have been TILA, Truth in Lending Act. The one before that would have been the Fair Credit Billing Act or Fair Accurate Transaction Act, which are very important, but they're easy to understand because they're not as big and extensive as the Fair Credit Reporting Act, or TILA per se, or RESPA, which is another one that we use pertaining to foreclosures, mortgage accounts, and stuff like that. So yeah, I do owe you that video. I'm going to do it, and I did do it. I made I did make a video, but I realized that my camera on my iPhone that I'm filming from right now shut off, and then I was talking for 20 minutes. So we lost 20 minutes of information, and I just was so exhausted. So I'm doing a bunch of things. I have other businesses here too. So like, I'm trying my best to at least post one video a day for you guys. So hopefully tomorrow I will produce and release that video. The video would recap back upon the 5 things that will remove anything off your credit report, but version 2. And hopefully you guys check that out. I'm going to screen share my computer and show you line by line on how we identify what laws have been violated, and then how we plug them in to the credit bureaus in the dispute process, which I'll touch up on a little bit. And then that will give you a good idea of like how to do it if you want to do it yourself, or if you're just watching this video to instill confidence that we can do what I just showed you on this phone. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Like, comment if you have any questions, and don't leave a comment about some guy the other day is like, you have an F rating on the BBB, but you can go to my BBB, and no one really cares about BBB. If you go to the BBB, we have a 4-star rating out of 5, and all the other reviews are fake. The bad reviews are like total fake. You'll know they're fake because they don't even have any good information as far as an actual experience of the customer. We're really good with our customer service. We don't really deal with negative Nancys that just expect $1 million job for the price of a haircut type deal. So I roast those guys too, but yeah, don't come on this channel talking about that, because no one cares about the rating. They only care about what the reviews. And if you go to the BBB, you're going to see there's a ton of good reviews, but the rating is what it is, right? And BBB has never been and never will be a method or a way on how we advertise, or we just don't work with them. We don't pay them any money. By the way, that's another reason. Let me tell you the real reason why the rating is that high. Because a long time ago when we started Pinnacle, a long time ago, years ago, we had a person that created those accounts. Well, guess what? They changed the password, so we don't have access to them. Now, if I want to, I probably could contact them and get the password. And why is this important? It's important because the reason why there's an F rating, because there were people that had a complaint against us. I think there was one complaint, right? Out of the tens of thousands of customers we have helped. I think there was one complaint that we didn't answer. And when that happens, when you don't respond to a complaint with the BBB is basically a site where Karens, you know what a Karen is. It's a site where a Karen goes and just wants to badmouth everyone because they don't got nothing going on for them except to belittle people and try to manipulate and control the situation and businesses that people have because they don't have anything going on for them. If that's you, in the comment section, Mr. Laughing Out Loud or whatever your thing was, okay, then you can go carry on with your miserable life. This is a channel where we empower people with education on how to repair credit and how I make money, right? Some of you guys want to hire me, pay me $1,500, $5,000, $10,000. Be my guest. I'm here. I will make sure that it's worth your while. Or if you want to do the Fast Track Elite program, which is, it's still a great program, but the price is what it is because I made that program for you guys to get better results than Lexington Law and still have the benefits of getting, the best service, but you don't have to pay the hefty fee of working with me directly. So you go through that automated process. You don't have to work with me, but you'll still get awesome results. That's pretty much the difference. And statistically speaking, yeah, you will get You will get results that are not as good as working with me personally, but it's still great. It's still better than Lexington Law, right? If you have any questions as far as the specific programs and the differences, you can go to my website for that, okay? Don't call me, because the website will answer all your questions. And if you really want more information, or if you really want to see specific things that we could do to repair credit, then you come to the YouTube channel. That's what the YouTube channel is for. And I'll show you case study after case study after case study, and maybe I'll explain how I did it and what law I used, such as the next video. So back again, stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to touch up on the 5 laws, the 5 things that will remove anything off your credit report. The Fair Debt Collections Practice Act is number 1, Fair Credit Reporting Act is number 2, Fair and Accurate Transaction Act is number 3, Fair Debt Collections Fair Credit Billing Act is number 4, TILA, Truth in Lending Act, is number 5, and the bonus one is RESPA, which is associated with TILA because it has to do with real estate and stuff like that. So I'm going to illustrate and actually just flat out show you how we find those violations on, a few different credit reports, and then how we dispute those items using those 5 laws. And then I will show you the before and afters of when I used that for some clients that I worked on. So it's just going to paint a clear, transparent picture for you, so you know what's up. Anyway, if you haven't already, like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, shoot us a comment. No trolling, none of that stuff. I will remove your comment or report it, whatever necessary. Or go to the website. We'd love to help you out. Take it easy.